How much does a gator cost?
I think they're about $15,000.
About 15?
Yeah. And if you go to Honda, their side-by-side machine is about $11,000. And I wanted one, but I can't afford it. So I converted my lawnmower into, and my brother named it for me. He says, well, it's really not a gator. Why don't you call it a turtle? So I call it my John Deere turtle.
So that's your John Deere turtle right there.
Yeah, I'm going to start it up and show it to you.
All right, let's see it.
I took the
That definitely works like a turtle.